Okay, a quick part 2 of the unpacking video. I didn't realize this. I should have been a little more thorough on the first one. But all your other parts and accessories are inside the keg itself. So I'll open that up. This box here is just a box. Got packing. Right here we have what appears to be the 2 shelves that go on either side of the grill. There's one. Just going to set that over here. And here's the second one. Of course, we have your actual grill part here. And then in here, flipping this around. We have this. Man, there's a lot of packing material in this thing. At the very bottom, inside, we have another box, and I'm assuming this is where the wheels and all that stuff are. Yep, so here's the wheels. Thank goodness, because this thing is heavy to move. So you got the one wheel. Two wheels. We have a handle, I'm sure is for the lid. And then we have hooks here and here for the side of the grill. And the screws that go with it, right there. Here, I'm sure this fits in the bottom for the charcoal. So that fits in the very bottom to help clean out the charcoal. And again, we have more accessories here. Some screws. We have that. And we just have some various screws, nuts, and bolts here. So that's it for now. So I'm going to read over the instruction manual and do another video on assembly.